Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, my name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors. It's called Parkinson's syndrome, and that is defined as early onset genetic Parkinson's disease. So this is not a makeup video, obviously by the title. If you want to check out some makeup videos, please take a look at my channel. I would really love for the makeup community to keep growing. Today I am announcing the winners of the Amrezy highlighter and Better Than Sex mascara giveaway. Now, a little bit of housekeeping here first. If you didn't win, or if you want a mascara and you really wanted the highlighter, don't worry. Like I said before, when I was planning the channel, I decided that I was going to do a lot of giveaways because I want to actually share with you guys some of my favorite things. So don't fret, you are going to have many chances to win some awesome, beauty products. I am already planning my next giveaway. Actually, I have two that I'm planning because I'm going to do a big giveaway when we get to 200. So, you guys spread the word. If you know people who love makeup, bring them on over to the makeup community and let's see if we can get to 200 so we can do that big giveaway. Alright, so let's start now. I am announcing these, so if you are on the list and you did not hear from me in the way that you told me to get a hold of you, or what I have on the list of how to get a hold of you, please email me. My email is at the bottom of the description box of the channel. Be careful when you spell it because Christine, my mom spelled it a little differently than the more popular spelling. So it actually ends in E-N-E, not I-N-E. So, but let me know if you haven't heard from me because I got a hold of everybody last night. All right, so the winners of the ABH Amrezy highlighters. We have 5 winners. Yep, I snuck some more in there. We have Tragedy 6996, and I got a hold of you by Instagram. Congrats, girlie. You have been with me since like the beginning, so that is awesome. Jennifer Ford, I emailed you. Congratulations. I hope you enjoy your highlighter. Hello again, Lisa. I made a comment on the giveaway video for you, so email me with your info and I will get this to you. Congratulations. And I am so sorry if I mispronounce your name. Angeli Nanada, N-A-N-D-A, Nanda. I'm so sorry. Congratulations. I got a hold of you by Instagram. So check your DMs. Congratulations for winning a highlighter. And I'm so sorry I butchered your name. And Carolina Gutierrez, I replied to your comment on the giveaway video. Congratulations, you won a highlighter. Alright, so our mascara winners for the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And again, I apologize if I butcher anybody's names. We have Aya McBell. I emailed you. Congratulations getting the mascara. Sumi Patel, I got a hold of you on Instagram, and I do believe I saw that you got back with me already, so that is fantastic. And I love the name Sumi because that's one of my good friends' names of like way more years than we want to admit. All right, L.A. Boyer, I got a hold of you by Instagram. Congratulations for your mascara. And Ji Yu Huang, I hope I didn't butcher your name so bad. I emailed you, so check your email. Congratulations getting the mascara. And last but certainly not least, we have Ada Holland. You got a mascara. Congratulations. And I got a hold of you on Instagram. So if you guys were on the list and you haven't heard from me, email me, say, hey, here's my info so I can get these to you. I am going to mail these out this week. be a little patient because I am doing it via the U.S. Post Office, and they are so slammed. It is the week before Christmas, so maybe give it just a little bit longer than what it would usually take. Usually it'll only take me like 3 days to get something to, let's say, Texas. It's probably going to be closer to a week, I suspect. So be patient with that. And if you did not win, or you wanted the highlighter, got the mascara instead, like I said, we are going to have lots of giveaways. I've got my next small giveaway planned out, which when I do smaller giveaways like this, we have multiple winners of smaller items. And then I'm also planning my 200 subscriber big giveaway. So hopefully it won't be too long before we're doing that one. Alright guys, well that will do it. Keep spreading the word. We are brand new. So keep spreading the word and invite people into the makeup community who you like makeup, or who like makeup and who you like, honestly. Alright, I will talk to you guys down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.